Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today's video was going to be about this headlight module repair, and I got the new relay all soldered in it, and I went and tested it out and nothing happened. And the reason nothing happened is I actually ordered the wrong relay. So I got to order the right relays from China again, so that'll be another video. But for today's video, I'm going to make modifications to the JEGS parts washer, portable parts washer, tabletop parts washer that I have. So move the camera over there and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to make two modifications to this. One really isn't a modification. It's an add-on. And that is this flow-through parts washer brush with hose. Basically, I wouldn't consider this a modification. It's just an add-on. And if you've seen in my original video, I'll leave a link somewhere up there to a review of this parts washer. This thing here, this nozzle, let's turn this thing on. It comes out too strong and it splatters. Like right now it ain't splattering because I'm not doing any parts, but if I was cleaning a part it would splatter like crazy. So I saw this and I just got mine through eBay. We'll see if it's supposed to. All you do is click it on like that, and this is the first time I'm using it, but it's pretty nice. It hooks on there. I could shorten this hose if I want to. This is the first time I'm using it, so you know, I don't really have any parts to clean. Let me, you know what, I got some of my blown transmission parts that are totally wiped out. So let me bring one of them over here and, okay, here I got one of the pieces from my blown transmission. If you haven't seen those, just look on my playlist or on my YouTube channel and see the carnage that happened with that. But let's give it a try. It's the first time I'm using this brush. It's new right out of the box. And I don't know if you can see how cupped up that is in there, but good cleaning. Doesn't matter. I mean, this piece is destroyed, but I'll give it a good cleaning just to demonstrate this brush, because right now I don't have much going on as far as parts cleaning anyway. Yeah, this is a lot better than just using this, because I'll give a demonstration what I mean by that. If I go like they see how it's still splattering, and you really need to wear a face shield or goggles or some type of glasses. Right now it's splattering all over the floor and me. Where if I use this, basically all I gotta do is go like that, and it works. Yeah, this works nice. You don't got the stuff splattering all over. You get the part clean that you want. Now, I'm not going to do a thorough cleaning on this because this part's destroyed, but this is part of the planetary, this would be the outer gear on the planetary set for the forward planetary, which was destroyed. I'll try and leave links at the end of the video, but like I said, you can see where that part's destroyed there. But anyway, that cleaned that up pretty good. I mean, there's still a lot more cleaning that needs to be done, but like I said, it's, I don't know, it's not worth cleaning because it's junk. Maybe I'll use it for a welding project or something. Who knows in the future. I could always weld the bottom on it and make an ashtray, except of course I don't smoke. So if anyone needs an ashtray, let me know. So anyway, let's go down to the next mod that I'm going to make. This one's going to include a little modification to this tray. So put this out of the way. that out of the way. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this tray. And I'm going to add a basket to it. Now I was going to add it right in the center. And the reason I want this basket is for putting like nuts and bolts in. I mean, I could just lay it in here, put the nuts and bolts, and do it that way. What I want to do is cut this out, cut a circle out of here so it sits recessed. I don't want to put it right in the center. I could, I suppose, put it right in the center. I think I'm going to offset it. And what I'm going to do is basically just cut a hole. I could have probably got a smaller one. In fact, I have a smaller one, but then you wouldn't be able to get some big parts. I mean, I could do it in the middle. Either way, and then just shorten this handle a little bit. I don't know. I think I'm going to offset it, just like that. I'm going to cut that out, and the way I'm going to do that is with a this multi-cutting tool I have. I'll show you that here shortly. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I drilled a hole. Well, I marked a circle first. Hopefully you can see that. And I drilled a hole in order for me to cut this. This is basically a sheet metal nibbler. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hook it to a drill, regular hand drill, and then you just go in there. And with a little practice, probably should go a little bigger, but yeah. Let me get that out. Get the screen. Yeah, maybe not. That might just work. Yeah, I think I will go just a little bit bigger though. So, as you can see, this works really well. Not the neatest thing I ever done, but looks like it's gonna work. Yeah, maybe I went a little too big. Oh well. That's okay. If I have to, I can always, I don't know. I'll come up with something. But let's get this back in the part washer and see how it looks. Yeah. Okay, there it is, back in. I should have probably went smaller. I was afraid it was going to go too, just a little too big, but or too small. But turns out I should have probably went smaller, because then I got to worry about the small parts falling through here. But that being said, I can just I just took a bunch of these parts I had laying around and dumped them in here. That's better for small parts. Turn this off real quick. Even like you can see all that splashing, and that's the reason I got this brush. Not the only thing I don't like about this brush is I would prefer this to have a screw-on attachment where you could just replace this altogether. I mean, this does make it simple. I will say that. I'll try and leave links, but I like this brush a lot better than just the spray nozzle. Spray nozzle is good for getting, I guess, spraying heavy duty stuff off, but and I like having this basket for like little tiny parts like this. Like here, I'm worried about parts falling past this gap here, if you can see that. But the truth is, there's bigger gaps like here where parts, and this is the reason I wanted the basket, because now they're like sitting in there, and I have to say I like this better. I think next time I get into a project that requires a lot of parts cleaning, let me turn this off. Having this basket will make it a lot better. And all that good stuff. I'll just let that stuff sit in there. This is stuff I don't need. It's just stuff I don't even know. Well, I know what some of this stuff is, but a lot of it I don't even know where it came from. But I'm sure I'll use it somehow one day in the future. And like I said, that makes it a lot better, I think. Just a couple of simple mods. I'm sorry I didn't have something more interesting for a video, and I know most of the guys want to see automotive related stuff. This is kind of automotive related as far as parts cleaning and stuff. But if you have one of these JEGS washers, you know, without doing any mods, just order one of these. They're not that expensive. I'll leave a link down in the description box. And it just pops right on the end of your hose there, so that's nothing. And it's sort of universal fit, so it's almost guaranteed to fit. I think you can even get this through JEGS. I just did mine through eBay, I believe it was. It was just cheaper. At least I think it was eBay. Like I said, I'll leave a link down there in the description box. Always check my description box and always check the comment section, because sometimes I forget stuff and I'll leave it there either in the description box or the comment section. I'm afraid that's it for this video. A couple of the last pieces came in. I have everything I need for that KC4 oil cooler. It's just enough me to get enough momentum to do that. So that will be coming up. And I guess that's it. I just hope everybody has a great day. And God bless.